5 years at Apple. Can't get a job for 2 years. When I first read that, I thought it had to be a lie. Then I read the comments. Hundreds of people saying the same thing. Senior engineers, product managers, people with names on actual products you've used, all getting ghosted. And here's the thing. This isn't about the job market being bad. It's about something more specific and honestly more unsettling. The career ladder a lot of people climbed was optimized for a world that moved slower. You'd spend 3 to 5 years at a top company, put that logo on your resume, and doors would open. That's not broken. It's just not the whole game anymore. What's changed is this: a company name used to signal capability. Now, hiring managers want proof of capability that exists independent of the company. Can you talk about decisions you made, not just projects you shipped? Can you show impact in a way that doesn't require knowing the internal context? Can you demonstrate skills that transfer, not just loyalty that compiles? The people who are cutting through right now aren't necessarily more experienced. They've just built a story around their work that makes sense to a stranger in 30 seconds. If your entire career narrative lives inside a company's internal wiki, you're more fragile than your resume suggests. The fix isn't dramatic. Start writing about your work publicly. Own outcomes out loud. Make your thinking visible somewhere outside your employer's walls. Because in this market, obscurity is the real career risk, not experience.